Hello children. Now I am going to introduce the letter U. U. First, tracing letter U. Here, this is how you must write letter U. U. Here, once again writing till I am sure that I can write alone. Go on writing on top of this letter U, and then make sure that I can write alone. Then I am writing alone letter U. Okay. Now again, another one here, tracing letter U. Okay, here another U here, writing on top of this dotted line U. Okay, now I think I can write alone. Now here I am writing letter U alone. This is how you also must do. Okay, U. Here another one. U. Right. Okay. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Okay. Thank you very much.